Imagine, this night the familiar moon in the sky begins to grow rapidly in size. It does not just shine, it relentlessly falls toward Earth in a spiral of death. Exactly 7 days remain until total impact. Will you survive if the planet's main satellite turns into a deadly meteorite? Welcome to the chronicle of planetary descent, day by day toward the final strike. Day 1. The moon has doubled in size and tides begin to go wild. Giant waves the height of a multi-story building crash into coastal megacities. Ports and coastal towns are washed away by the ocean in the very first hours of chaos. Scientists in observatories horror-strickenly record orbital parameter failures. The moon's gravity begins to distort Earth's familiar attraction. Day 2. The oceans abandon their usual basins, exposing the seabed. Massive bodies of water rush toward the equator, flooding entire countries. Ships are hurled kilometers inland by powerful tsunamis. Panic grips billions of people, paralyzing all transport arteries. Power grids in coastal zones collapse under the onslaught of water elements. Day 3. The lunar disk already occupies a quarter of the night sky. The Earth's crust begins to crack under colossal tidal stress. Hundreds of dormant volcanoes awaken, spewing clouds of ash into the sky. Powerful earthquakes shake the continents without stop or rest. Cities worldwide plunge into a chaos of destruction and tremors. Day 4. The moon approaches so closely that its craters are visible to the naked eye. The Roche limit begins to take effect. Earth's gravity tears the moon apart. A grand ring of giant debris and dust forms around the planet. Shrapnel begins to rain down on Earth in the first meteorite bombardments. The sky is blanketed by a crimson glow from falling lunar meteorites. Day 5. The meteorite shower turns into a continuous firestorm. Forests blaze across all continents simultaneously, spewing tons of smoke. The atmosphere heats up to the limit from the energy of falling cosmic bodies. Survivors hide in deep bunkers, escaping from heat and radiation. Communication between surviving regions of the planet completely disappears. Day 6. The main core of the moon approaches a critical distance. The gravity of Earth and the falling body tears apart the final laws of physics. Oceans boil from colossal tidal friction and heat. The air becomes heavy, saturated with toxic Earth evaporations. Darkness blankets the firmament, hiding the disintegrating satellite. The 7th day arrives, the moment of final collision. The enormous mass of the moon rushes onto the surface at incredible speed. At the moment of impact, kinetic energy melts the Earth's crust right through. The shockwave circles the planet in a matter of minutes, leveling mountains. The Earth's mantle is exposed, turning the surface into an ocean of magma. No life can survive in the epicenter of this monstrous cataclysm. The planet heats up to the state of a newborn protoplanet. The atmosphere burns away in the very first seconds of the global collision. Fragments of the destroyed Earth fly out into open outer space. Only a glowing, fiery ball remains of the once blossoming world. What does an observer feel in the final seconds of the lunar giant's fall? The Earth shakes as if the very fabric of space is cracking at the seams. Gravity vanishes for a second, tossing objects into the air. A blinding flash swallows light, sound, and reality itself. Physical laws no longer matter in this hell. Ocean droplets fly into space under the force of the shockwave. Tectonic plates crumple like an accordion under the weight of the falling neighbor. Magma erupts outward through thousands of new volcanic vents. Space debris falls back onto the cooling ruins of the continents. The silence of space finally swallows the sounds of the destroyed planet. This incredible annihilation scenario demonstrates the fragility of our cosmic home. Without the moon, Earth would never have become a cradle for intelligent life. A stable satellite protected the planet from random asteroids for ages. But even a protector can become an absolute instrument of death. Scientists' orbital calculations always keep this nightmare under control. Fortunately, the gravitational balance of the solar system has been stable for billions of years. The moon will not fall to Earth in the coming epochs of cosmic history. Yet even grander cosmic dramas occur in the universe. World collisions are a common law of galaxy evolution. Our minds try to comprehend the scale of cosmic catastrophes. Every star holds the secrets of the death of entire planetary systems. Humanity continues studying celestial mechanics for the sake of survival. Knowing the laws of gravity saves us from false fears. But the imagination paints frightening pictures of the end of the world. What if the moon had shrunk in half instead of falling? Tides would disappear, turning oceans into stagnant swamps. Earth's axis of rotation would begin to wobble chaotically from side to side. The planet's climate would go crazy in a matter of months. Land life would face unbearable weather anomalies. The moon is not just a decoration of the night sky, but the key to our balance. Without it, nights would become pitch black and lethally dangerous. Errors in the satellite's orbit would cost Earth all living things. Science models worst-case outcomes to prevent threats. Space is full of invisible traps for young civilizations. Studying astronomy helps us appreciate every peaceful day. Earth has survived many crises, but the moon's fall is the ultimate finale. No technology could save the planet from such an impact. The impact, E-energy, surpasses all the world's nuclear arsenals combined. The planet would turn into a field of molten minerals. Time erases any traces of past civilizations in space. Our world is unique precisely for its fragile harmony and order. Stay vigilant and study the harsh truth about the laws of the universe. Cosmos shows no mercy or carelessness to its inhabitants. We will continue exploring the craziest world-ending scenarios. Summarizing this destructive chronicle, we realize the scale of the cosmic threat. The moon's fall would erase human history in a single moment. Our planet is incredibly vulnerable to cosmic forces. Every new day under a stable sky is a great miracle. The laws of gravity hold our world on the edge of an abyss. Earth's history is full of hidden dangers and amazing discoveries. We will continue plunging into the secrets of space in upcoming episodes. Analyze facts, think critically, and protect your mind. Knowledge is the only shield against fear of the unknown. Follow new videos to be the first to know the whole truth until the end. Subscribe to the channel. The most grandiose and terrifying awaits ahead.